G'day, it's me again. We've just had about 20 mil of rain over the last couple of weeks, which is a nice start. I was really looking forward to filling the tanks, but I've just noticed a bit of a problem. Let me show you what the problem is. That's a bit of a worry. So what I'm doing at the moment is pumping the water out of this tank. Sort of thankfully we didn't have too much in it, but pumping the water out of this tank into the one next to it, this one here. So I could pull all that apart and fix that leak. Say good day to Tom. Oop, there he goes. So we'll see how that goes, eh? Once I've pulled all this apart, and because I couldn't really test it when I put it in because we didn't have any water. So now I've tested it and she leaks. Anyway, hopefully it'll be an easy fix, just a rubber washer behind that fitting, and we're good to go again. Touch wood. Cheers.